to jump for it, huh?
Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. I'm gonna catch it. Watch this. I'm gonna catch it. Watch this. I'm gonna catch it.
Yep, they got to go back in the water, huh? What the heck?
Jelly!
That's seaweed.
Seaweed, no! I'm not touching that.
Yeah, don't smoke that stuff.
Ew, look it! Slobbles!
Slimy, huh?
Yes, slimy.
No, don't get your feet wet.
Oh.
Whoa, whoa, wee, whoa. We're going to the beach. What? We're going to the beach. Pretty fancy. You want to climb up that rock right here? We'll go scale on the wall. Wow, look at that rock. You could sit on top of that one too. It's another flat one. So many rocks. Wow, look, there's a cave over there, guys. A cave.
You.
Walk real close up by the edge. We'll
Throw it out in the middle.
Hold on to it. Here, give me one, Dad.
You don't want to jump for it, huh?
Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. I'm gonna catch it. Watch this. I'm gonna catch it.